What does that mean? Hello po. Ganda mo always malalo na kapag barefaced. Well, hindi naman ako super barefaced right now. I have like the tiniest bit of makeup. Wala ka show tonight, ma. Girl, it's a Monday. It's a Monday. And it's also Lunar New Year. So yun nga, Happy Lunar New Year sa mga nag-celebrate ng Lunar New Year dyan. Miss you, love. Miss you right back. Shout out, Rain. Go, shout out. Me remind me of me. Ang ganda. Ay, wow. Oh, go. Gusto mo yan eh. Ano yung SJDM? What's SJDM? Walang ganap today. No, I just came home from watching a movie. Nanood ako ng The Loved One today. Ganda mo, super kiligil ko. Ay, ala, okay naman. Okay naman, over. Thanks. Ayan, hello po sa mga nakakuha ng number 1 to entry na viewer badge. Shout out po sa inyo. Hi, Mix. Hello. Wait lang. Wait. Ay? Ayan, anyway. Do the Marina. Kailan uli yung show nila, Marina? March 6 po. Sa March 6. So it's an all-doll cast, giving very doll domination ang casting for the March 6 show. Nag-hormones kami, yes po. Hindi mo kailangan ng good luck para sa exam mo, ang kailangan mo mag-aral. Diba? Divine. Erica Reveal, Cream Silk po. I love you, TikTok. I love you, TikTok. I love you, TikTok. Bawal pala mag-name drop ng brand. Bawal po. I just want to share with honors Atashi but still disappointed. Girl, you're being way too hard on yourself. May honors ka na nga, disappointed ka pa din. Ano na lang talaga magpapasatisfy sa'yo? I miss my birthday today. Happy birthday, J-Dab. Sa lahat na magpapagreet ng birthday, tas hindi nila talaga birthday, malasin sana kayo buong Year of the Fire Horse. Char. Ikaw pa rin, sinta. Diyos ko, kabastusan naman nung may 1 point na lang with high honor na ako. Should I do better? You did the best that you could. And yeah, you did the best that you could in the moment. You can do better, of course, but also give yourself some grace. Don't be so hard on yourself just because parang hindi ka the best of the best. Hindi naman tayo always best of the best. Pagod na ako. Ano hormones ang biyang ganda mo? Secret. Diyos ko, ilang beses ko na yan nasagot. Anyway. Miss ko na yung kambal mo na Scenic. Go, puntahan siya sa Hosik. I think madalas nakaset sa Hosik ang ang aking little sister, ang aking naka-naka. Mother, please let me be your drag daughter. Hindi po ako tumatanggap ng applicants para sa drag daughtership sa kasalukuyan. Dahil napakagulo pa po ng aking life, marami pa akong need ayusin sa aking self. Wala po ba with Madison Beer mo? Meron naman. I just need to edit it. Wait lang. Teka. Dami kong backlog ng editing, my loves. Ano to? May nagsabi, what happened to me? Like straight 77 ako sa math, but other subject is line of 9. Ewan ko sa'yo, babe. Bakit sa akin mo tinatanong ko ano nangyari? Ang ginagawa mo, minaayos ko lang ang aking. So, I just started a planner on a binder. So, inaayos ko lang yung mga sticker niya. Over talaga sa spam sa Comsec detail, no? Over. Kamusta Valentine's ko? I spent my Valentine's weekend with my best friends. We had a lot of fun. Nag-sleepover kami dito sa akin. And then, the next day, we celebrated yung graduation ng kabarkada naming isa. Ay, ma'am, pahingi naman po makeup kahit pa expired na go lang. Huwag kang gagamit ng huwag kang gagamit ng expired makeup lalo na from other people. Actually, mas delikado yung second hand makeup kaysa sa expired. For me ha, kasi alam mo yun, mukha na ng other people yung dumut-dut sa makeup nun eh. Sana jowa mo, wala na po akong jowa. Hayaan na po natin yung sa nakaraan. With high honors, mama, may multo ha, 4 points school. Okay lang yun, bawi ka na lang next time. Fave sa Locket album. Well, yung singles, of course. Bittersweet Make You Mine, Yes Baby, Super Love. Excuse me. But I also really like You're Still Everything, tsaka Nothing at All. Meron ka bang TV shows before Drag Race? What do you mean? Like, was I on any TV shows before Drag Race? I was not. Please say something in Spanish. Melinda Verga. Charis. Ma, what's your favorite Olivia Dean song? Dive, tsaka Lady Lady. Those are my top 2. But I also really am enjoying Float recently. Melinda Verga with Gratitude. Real lang. Ay. Last quarter na talaga, di ko alam if ang grades ko ba ay pasok pang UP. Well, it also what matters more is yung score mo sa OPCAT, I think, more than yung grades mo currently. So, I hope you did well sa OPCAT. Sana mag-post ulit ng motivation vids. I wrote down a journal entry earlier today na medyo, I think, could be a good motivational video. Pero teka lang, sobrang dami ko talagang utang na editing. Ang dami kong backlog sa pag-edit. Sa totoo lamang. Do you like musical movies po? Yes, I do. I love watching musical movies. Lang ang katabi hanggang sa ang buhok ko'y pumuti. Ma, with high ano. Thanks sa good luck and motivation vids. You're welcome. Have you watched Hairspray? Yes, I watched the Hairspray movie and pati yung live version. The one yung kasama si Madam Ariana. Yakap ng panahon na ba? Have you watched Epic the Musical? Hindi ko pa siya napapanood. Familiar ka ba sa Hamilton? Yes, I perform Hamilton. I've performed Satisfied a few times. So I super love Hamilton. Yung confessionals po ba sa Drag Race, isang araw lang po ba sinut yun? No, it's shot multiple sessions. Ano lang kami, we're required to wear the same thing every time. Good luck for the competition namin. Anong competition sa pro? Alam mo, minsan kayo, nagkaka-trust issues na ako sa inyo. Minsan nag-iimbento na lang kayo ng ways para mapansin. Hi, Mike Linda. Hello, it's not Evan. Sa pag-shoot po ng alternate ending, genuine pa po ba reactions nyo? Well, alam naman namin going into it that we're going to shoot both and multiple endings. So, I don't know. I don't know. Parang, I guess we try to make it as genuine as possible. Pero aware kasi kami na parang when it comes to the finale, mag-shoot kami ng multiple endings. Di pa kami nag-take mama hehe, mag-start pa lang mag-apply sa March to try exam. Okay, good luck. Aral na mabuti. Mas kailangan yun kaysa good luck sa drag queen, ha? Mas kailangan na pag-aaral na mabuti. Sorry guys, honestly, yung mga questions na paulit-ulit, yung mga questions na parang ilang beses ko nang nasagot sa ilang lives, hindi ko na masyado pinapansin kasi medyo redundant lang, ganun. Kapag ba na-eliminate tapos naging pake ng draga, yung bagahe nasa hotel room nyo lang? Yeah, parang we keep it in our rooms. I've seen you sa EK when you went there po while I'm about to go home and wasn't able to ask for it. Kailan to? Hindi naman ako nag-EK recently. Parang last year pa yung last kong ano. Last year pa yung last kong punta sa EK. Mga crush kita. Good for you. Mix help. Saan pwede mag-rent ng prom gown yung maganda? I'm not sure because I did not really go to prom. I mean like, hindi naman ako nag-gown nung prom namin so I wouldn't know either. Kasi note ko lang nung prom yung tux ko nung kasal ng ate ko. Ano ba, eksena pag nag-film for Drag Race? Like, ano yung di namin nakikita? Marami kayong di nakikita, girl, kasi kung mag-shoot kami sa isang araw, how many hours yun? Tapos 1 hour lang naman per episode, tapos 2 days per episode. So, sobrang dami nyo talagang hindi nakikita. What's your favorite song by Ariana Grande? Hampstead. Hampstead ang aking favorite song, as in ever, forever. Charis. Magkano gastos per gown na pinagawa mo? Magkano range? Depende sa kung saan eh. Siguro mga ballpark price, mga nasa per look, per one runway look, siguro mga nasa ano yan, 20 to 30. Maybe more than, depende sa look mismo. Ilang days shoot season 3? 1 month. Mainit ba sa workroom? Sobrang lamig sa workroom actually. Dahil Mama Pao likes it to be really, really cold. Kailan ka lalaban again? I don't really know kung kailan man tayo mabigyan ng opportunities. Saan po kayo nag-college? Ateneo po. December 14. Okay. Yeah. that was the last time na nag-EK ako. May mga big fights po ba behind the cam? Wala masyado. Actually, pag behind the camera, kalmado lang kami. Pagka nag-rolling, pagka nag-film, doon medyo parang kagatong mga bakla. Anong kanta yan? This is Bughaw by Maki, yung live version. I've been listening to the Color Coaster live album. May I love your specs. Thank you. Top artist this month, Madison Beer and Zara Larsson. Patingin rin ang badge mo. Wait, it's right here. Let me just grab it. Here it is. Kaya nakalagay siya sa parang frame kinezu. Ayan, ito ang aking Rue badge. Baka lang nakakalimutan nyo na nalo rin ako ng Rue badge, ah. Serious. Midnight Sun and Bittersweet yun for sure. No, I listen to the whole album. I'm the type of person I like listening to full albums, not just singular songs. Wala na kayo ni Miguel, wala na po. Anong thoughts mo kay Alvin and Sex Bomb Izzy? Huwag tayo masyado mapagmataas just because religious tayo. Tao pa rin tayo, flawed pa din tayo, makasalanan pa din tayo. So huwag tayo masyado mapagmataas, lalo na sa mga LGBT. Sana pag binabasa natin ang Bible natin, hindi lang natin siya binabasa as is, hindi lang natin in-interpret yung words word for word, pero tinitingnan natin yung malalim na meanings. And also, gawin natin yung research natin kasi meron po talagang mistranslations yung Bible natin kasi ang Bible hindi naman po yan sinulat sa Tagalog or English. Hebrew po yan. Sinulat po yan sa Hebrew. So unless nakakabasa po kayo ng Hebrew, huwag po tayo magpanggap na alam natin directly kung ano yung sinasabi ng Bible. Yun lang. Gigil ako sa asawa ni Izzy ko. Ano talaga gigil? Girl, I don't spare my thoughts for people like that. Sophia deserves better. And also, girl, hindi naman siya yung totoong tatay. Kapag inaso naman siya tungkol dun sa anak ni Sex Bomb Izzy, hindi naman siya yung tatay. Magkamukha po kayo ni Godland. Real, that's my twin right there. What's your top favorite album? The Art of Loving by Olivia Dean. Hi, watching from Israel. Hello, Israel. Starstruck nga daw siya dati ni... Sino siya doon? Kabiling Suman. Wala pa po, malambot pa po yung Suman. Malambot pa yung Suman. Taylor Shish is in the building. Hi, Taylor Shish. Come to Cebu. Babalik ako sa Cebu in May. Favorite track from The Art of Loving? Lady. Tsaka Baby Steps. Magkano yellow nyo? 500 po. Ano po kasi yan? Artisanal water from the high mountains of Italy. With ginkgo biloba extract and collagen. Sino na naman si Joan Quintas? Ang dami ko na lang talagang naging kamukha. Evian water gamits ice. Hindi po, luha po ng mga anghel yung tubig namin. Char. So yun, person late ng fest. Parang meron ba ditong filter na pampalit lang? Thank you po sa mga gifts nyo. Thank you for the roses. Paano ba magpalit ng mukha? Gender dysphoria is now. Ayan. Ay. Ba't naman naging bilogan yung patch? Ito na lang. Ayan. It's giving walawa. It's giving sapphic. It's giving walawa. Mapagalitan mo ako na parang nanay. Hindi mo ako nanay. Di para utusan mo ako. May communication pa ba kayo ni Udipotami? Yes! Ano lang, busy lang talaga ang sister ko right now. Did you finish college po? Yes po. Nakatapos po ako ng college ng may 2 degree. Mama Elgona, thank you po sa good luck for my upcat. Aral ha, aral. Hindi lang puro pa good luck sa Queens ha, mag-aral. Mag-aral, hindi puro pa good luck lang sa Queens. Thoughts about body dysmorphia? Ooh? Ooh? Sensitive topic, next. Role model talaga kita, ma. Sabi ng role. Sure. Double degree beauty and brains. Ano po ako? Fine arts graduate. So I have a bachelor in fine arts major in information design. And I have a bachelor in fine arts major in theater with a focus on acting. At hi Rain, I miss you too. Kamusta ka rin? May dream lip sync songs ka ba sa mga hindi mo na-perform na songs sa season 3? While preparing for season 3, amats ko yung pwede ba? Pero hindi na para tangkain dahil masyado na pong naihian ni Zimba and Kiana yung pwede ba na yan. Pero alam mo na manifest ko talaga yon. As in, nung preparing for season 3, sabi ko talaga, shit, sana lip sync song yung pwede ba? Tapos nakuha namin yung listahan ng songs for the lip sync. Sabi ko, shit, sana lip sync for the win. Na-manifest nga, hindi lang for me. Hindi lang for me. Kailangan pala mas specific. Are you doing well nowadays? Ano pa din, we're going through negative emotions. Ay, ano yun? Bakit nag-lag? Ano nangyayari? Ayan, hala. Ayan, okay na tayo. FB10, ulul be. FB10 ka dyan. May napindot lang. Ulul mo be. Nag-zoom in ka true. Kailan po ulit fan meet? Hindi ko rin alam. Di pa ako nakakapag-organize. Pero siguro soon. Maybe April. Para mag-celebrate tayo ng pangilan na ba? 6th birthday na ni Mix Chanel. Provided pala ng production ng lip sync songs. Yes po, production po ang namimili. Ma, how do you come out as trans to gay BF not into women? Well, even if they're not into women, they're already in a relationship. They're already committed to a person. Hindi naman sila nag-commit to a gender. They committed to a person. So, they should come from a place of understanding. But also, paano pa rin yan pag-uusapan nyo pa rin yan. Kasi nga, ayun, parang syempre ikaw, you want to change your appearance. In most cases, trans people, you want to change your appearance to appear more feminine. And alam mo yon, not everyone is comfortable with that. And unfortunately, that has to be a discussion that you have with your partner. Pero for me, parang hindi dapat siya maging issue kasi ayun nga, minahal mo tao, hindi gender. Ang minahal mo, yung person. Pinili mo yung person. Hindi mo pinili yung person kasi lalaki to, so siya na. Gets ba? Kailan po kayo Meet the Queen sa season 4? Pagka nakapag-film na po sila, hindi pa po sila nakakapag-shoot. Thoughts about healing kahit 2.5 years na. Healing is not linear, my love. Ako din, I've been going through something. I went through a breakup 4 months ago and until now, may mga times pa din na, alam mo yon, parang the pain feels really fresh sometimes still. Give yourself grace. Give yourself the space to feel the emotions. Pero huwag mong tatambayan. Pag dumating yung emosyon, ramdamin mo siya, umiyak ka if kailangan mo, and then pagka okay ka na, pagka naiyak mo na, pick yourself back up and move forward. Mahirap ba mag-drag? Yes po. May tina po ba if may cast na for season 4? Wala pa po. Hello po, can you explain po why Tita Baby wanna lip sync over you? I mean, both of you give the best. Hindi ko po ma-explain yun kasi hindi po ako yung nagdesisyon. Very true. Thank you for being so human about it, Mix. Of course. I mean, girl, wala naman ako yung ipapakitang tao pa dito. Tao lang din ako. Alam niyo yon. Like, oo, I went through a televised competition show na napanood nyo. But at the end of the day, I'm still a human person. Tama, sabi nga Queen vs. X. Breakdown saglit, Jackstone na malupet at bounce back ulit. Kurik. Pero sa POV mo po, my love, if it was up to me, if it was in my POV, I wouldn't have lost. Sino ba gustong matalo? But, again, the decision is not up to me. Magkaiba yung atake namin ni Tita Baby. It was just up to the taste of the judges. So, kahit ipilit mo pa ng ilang beses yung tanong mo, wala kang makuha sagot sa akin kasi hindi applicable yung tanong mo. Mami, nawalan ako ng confidence dahil tinawanan nila drag makeup ko. If hindi ka if hindi ka magpapatoughen up, if sa maliit na criticism, titigil ka sa pagdadrag, it's not for you. Sorry to say, but it's not gonna be for you if with any little criticism, pipitik ka or magiging sensitive ka about it. Like, oo naman, valid naman yung feelings mo, pero girl, how are you gonna improve if you don't listen to the criticisms? Diba? Ano mga kailangan pagpapasok ka sa drag? Lakas ng loob. Kapal ng mukha at lakas ng loob. Love the point, love the person as person, not by the gender. Tama naman. Glowing as always, my Mix. Thank you. Same, 5 months iniwanan ko dahil sa side ng parents niya pero matsakit pa rin minsan. Girl, ganun talaga. Alam mo, tao lang tayo. May mga pinagdadaanan talaga tayong masasakit. Eto na lang po, how drag queens get their brand. Alam nyo, I honestly don't like it when we fixate on branding. I mean, yes, it's important to have a certain thing na hinahanap-hanap sa'yo ng mga tao. Parang something na kilala ka for. Pero hindi mo naman napipilit ang branding. Your branding comes out naturally because you do drag in your own way. Hindi ini-impose ang branding. Ang bait nito ni Mixu, balik ka na CDO. I miss CDO. I love CDO. I love the queens of CDO. May I ask if it's okay with you, your HIV story? Nasa episode 6 po. Nasa episode 6 na po yan siya. Any chance you'll perform a theater piece sa March 6? No, hindi po theater piece yung pinaplano kong performance sa March 6. Mix, would you like to be our speaker for our trans visibility celebration at our office? I'd love to. Shoot me an email, my love. mixchannelofficial@gmail.com. Itama mo lang yung spelling, but like, shoot me an email. I'd love to like come to your office for that celebration. New pyesa ba ma? Yeah, medley. I think I'm planning to do a medley. Ano pa siya? Inaayos ko pa siya. Ina-iron out ko pa yung ano. Hi ma, ako po yung nag-good luck sa'yo nung nakaraan. Pasok po ako sa honors list. My love, hindi yan dahil sa good luck ko, dahil yan sa sipag mo, sa pag-aaral mo. Ma, kailan ka mag-perform? Punta sa Bacolod? Alam mo, ilang beses na ako in-invite to perform sa Bacolod. Pero nagkakataon talaga lagi na pag ini-invite nila ako, either the same day or the day before or after, meron na akong gig. So, alam mo yun, hindi ko siya maisingit. Mawan po ulit next show nyo. Right now, schedule ko is sa March 6. Sa comeback show ni Marina. Please, 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 punta ma-here. Message si Lunar. Si Lunar Cafe sa Bacolod. Hair routine, please. Shampoo, conditioner. Keratin. And then I air dry it as much as I can para hindi siya Ay, tsaka nag-leave-in conditioner ako after. Keratin sa true. What time do you usually sleep? Mga 3 or 4, ganyan. Ano ulam mama? Nag-ano po ako, galing ako sa labas, so I had dinner. I had katsu curry for dinner. Ayos lang ba sleeping schedule mo, ma? Well, yun na kasi yung pinaka-normal na sleeping schedule ko. For me as a person, kasi ako mas nag-function talaga ako sa hapon, sa gabi, ganyan. So, mas yun yung mas yun yung nakasanayan ko. Anyway, I think I am gonna go, guys. I'm gonna go spend the Lunar New Year energies centering myself and motivating, and meditating, ganyan. Bye, guys!